Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Z10 Pro Power Edge Trimmer. Inside you get the user manual, USB-C cable, the grass trimmer, the hedge trimmer, and the main unit. Briefly going over some specs, the Power Hedge Trimmer comes with a 2000 milliamp hour battery. It has a max runtime of 107 minutes on Eco mode and 80 minutes on Max mode. The low setting is 816 strokes per minute and the high setting is 1115 strokes per minute. You get two swappable blades, one for hedge and one for grass. It also has a smart LED display and an LED light on the front. Taking a look at the unit, it's pretty compact. So you have a nice grip here. It's a non-slip grip. You have the button here to activate the trimmer. You also have the safety button here. And then on the top, once you press it, you have the power indicator and your battery percentage. And you also have the mode. So if you press it again, you can switch to Eco and then Max. Eco and Max. And then the front, you have a nice LED light. And then the back, you have the USB-C charge port to charge it. It comes with the two adapters. You get the 6-inch hedge trimmer, and it has a nice cover. And then you also get the grass shear attachment, 3.5-inch shear attachment. With these attachments, you have the release mechanism on the sides, so you see the gray buttons. So basically, to attach it, you just want to line it up like so. Line it up in the hole, and then just click into place. And then to remove it, just press the buttons on the side, and it just pops out. And then for the hedge trimmer, same thing, just line up the hole, click into place, and you're good to go. So to activate it, if I press the button here, you can see it's not going to turn on. You have to press the safety button on the side, and then you can engage the button on the bottom here. So once it's on, you can remove your finger from the safety button so you don't have to constantly have it on. So this is on Max mode, Eco, and Max. And then once you remove your finger from the button, it immediately shuts off. So now we'll put the grass shear adapter so you can see how it sounds. All right, so we have it on Eco mode. Again, press the safety button and then you can power it on. So that's on Eco. And now that's on the high mode, or the Max mode. And again, you have the nice light in the front, so if you're doing work when it's a little bit darker, that should help. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. Now I have the hedge trimmer attached, so let's see how it does. Just gonna run it past the top of this bush here. I'll put it on the Max mode. So you can see it's working fairly well here. It's trimming it with ease. And again, this is on the Max mode. Let's kick it to the Eco mode. So a little bit slower, but it's managing to get the bush here. I'm gonna switch over again to the Max mode. All right, let's try it on this bush here. All right, you get the idea. It's able to trim this with no issues. And then you can see all the trimmings on the ground. Now let's try the grass shear adapter. I'm gonna keep it on the high setting. So here we have a little bit of grass here. Doing it with ease, you can see. So no issues at all with the grass shear adapter. All right, that was the max setting, and I'll just throw it into the low. Still doing the job, but just a little bit slower on the eco mode. All right, I'll switch over to high. All right, so that's a look at the Fanttik Z10 Pro Power Hedge Trimmer. You can see it's very compact and easy to work with. Definitely perfect for the smaller type of jobs, but as you saw, I was able to trim a few of the bushes, and it did well with the grass shear adapter. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.